Due to our growing global presence, we're naturally getting a lot more requests for camera systems from various user groups from all over the world.
The idea for the project originated from the American market. In the USA, standard inspection cameras, typically around 30 meters or 100 feet in length, are inadequate for examining household drains.
And that's how the idea of the Wöhler VIS 750 evolved. We are looking for a camera that can inspect up to 60 meters or 200 feet.
The most significant technical hurdle was the 60-meter or 200 feet data transmission, which involved some conflicting requirements for that setup. It also became clear that despite its size, the camera needs to be portable for the operator. You need to be able to carry it up a staircase, which is great, but it would be really useful on a construction site if I could easily pull it along behind me in a trolley.
And with our Wöhler VIS 750 inspection system, you can pack everything you need in just one case. This includes a section for accessories, as well as a space for the monitor and a space where you can also store the camera heads. You can head to the location, turn on the camera and get started.
The entire system is designed so well that I can use it while lying down, such as when I'm kneeling in front of the duct. Alternatively, if I'm in a tight boiler room, I can easily manage everything while standing up, or rotate the monitor, including the anti-glare protection, when I'm outside. A major factor to show how user-friendly our product is that our FIS 700 has a solid track record, featuring a touch display, an HD monitor, and easy one-handed control with a joystick. These elements should definitely be included again. And what was very important to us was that I didn't have to walk through a building with a dirty and wet reel, as the dirt stays in the trolley for the time being, but that the case can be easily cleaned later when the job is finished. We can easily take apart the trolley, remove the reel, give it a good clean, put everything back together, and then it will be ready for the next job.
One of the things I love most is the pan and tilt camera head, particularly when used with our locator. You can accurately identify the location of a leak or root intrusion, and can then repair quickly and efficiently. We have also developed an app. Having an app that allows us to transfer images and generate inspection reports really helps us save a significant amount of time. We have previously worked on creating a system design that caters to a wide range of users.
A lot of small features we developed during the prototype phase have been included in the final product. We invested in a brand new, large 3D printer specifically for this project. This was crucial for conducting inspections at an early stage, to receive quick feedback initially from colleagues and later, of course, also from customers, so the feedback can be included.
We believe that this advanced 3D printing will also benefit the company, and we have successfully coordinated the entire process of manufacturing, assembling, and repairing the device.
The new system impresses with several subtle enhancements. There's a significant amount of effort and expertise that has been developed, including the simple cleaning method, the water drainage feature, and the pressure components that enable it to function properly. You can easily and safely take off the camera flaps, or you can use several hidden magnets inside the device to secure the camera unit or keep the buckles in position, for instance. We have plenty of fantastic ideas waiting to be explored. We'll keep working on them for the VIS 750, and there are plans to add more accessories for it. Another highlight is just how lovely and practical this trolley system truly is. That's when the idea was born to create a shorter version of the blue rod, 40 meters or 130 feet long, but more flexible, perhaps not for the 100 meter or 330 feet pipe, but more for the 50 meter or 165 feet pipe in domestic areas.
The customer really does have the perfect system for their application. Otherwise, we have service centers all over the world that are ready to help and advise. We also have a separate section at Wöhler, where we demonstrate the device both in videos and a how-to platform with helpful and informational texts, and always like to give detailed explanations and also show the use of the system.